The magical part
Yes.
of Matsu.
Yes, so the final one.
Is this what you were gonna say?
Yes.
Wow, it is amazing.
Wait, this is Matsu? Because I've seen this on TV before. I've seen this on the internet.
No, you've seen this in The Adventures of Pi.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
When
That was a movie.
this is
In a movie?
actual scene
Yeah.
in Matsu.
Wow. I had no idea that was in Matsu.
Right, and that is also listed by the CNN. That is one of the top 15 the natural wonders in the world.
Wow. This is like when you just start disturbing
What
the
is
water
actually-
and it
what is
starts
actually that?
glowing.
Yeah,
Like, what
actually
was
that is insects. So
Insects.
insects. They will grow the blue light when you're disturbed by the wind or by the wave and also by your hand.
Right.
That is just happened through the April to the September. And I got some tips for you. So you have 3 ways to find the blue tears in Matsu. So first one, when you go to the Matsu, you went outside to the seaside every night as frequent as possible. So that's about like 50%. And the second is you can go into the tunnel. That's before we mentioned.
Tunnel?
Yes,
The tunnel.
in Bay Heights. So they have a special tours during the night times.
You can see it in the tunnels as
You
well.
can see in the tunnel. I think that will be like 90% that you can see the blue tears.
Wow.
And if you want to see badly, 100%, you can go into the museum. Yeah, museum. Yeah, in there. So that is 100%.
Oh, that's just a Photoshop.
Right.
Me too, I can do a blue circle on Photoshop.
That means if you are bad luck, you need to go to the museum. Or you're doing in the winter times, then you can
You
go to
won't
the
be able to see
museum
it,
to
yeah.
know that.
So the conditions have to be just right.
Right,
Wow.
so good weather and less light pollutions, and you must be very lucky during that moment.
So romantic.
That's a beautiful
10 points
name.
for Matsu
Yeah.
Kim.
Yeah.